At night when I sleep alone, I think about all I've done. I think about my past, so I learn how to let it go, go, go. At night when I sleep alone, I think about what I lost, but the past is in the past, so I learn how to let it go. You take my pain away, no, you take my pain away, no, 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 baby. At night when I sleep alone, I think about her lost, but the past is in the past, oh, gotta learn how to let it go. I think about the past, everything I've been through, man, you know what? I look out my window and I reminisce, it hurts. That's why I got the purple Urkel that I'm hurt. And you know what, man, after that I get a little hurt, just to ease my mind, my nerves. I don't really care at times, but I be wondering what would have been if I didn't pursue this dream, whatever people wanna go call it. A goal in front of me, I gotta absorb it. I take it in for what it's worth, but though I'm a better man, never thought I would meet a girl that make me understand the better ways of life outside the four walls of my hood. A world that's beautiful, man, I treasure that good. It's always gonna be stuck inside, man. I'ma let this vibe ride and feed it to my little homies. That way they can get a little thought and then transition their mind and become a stronger, better person. Man, at night when I sleep alone, I think about what I lost, but the past is in the past, oh, gotta learn how to let it go, gotta let it. At night when I take a painkiller and ease my nerves, I say, yeah, the past is in the past, oh, gotta learn how to let it go, gotta let it take my pain away, no.